At the Tropical Fruit Logistics Facility, green bananas are rapidly transformed into crispy chips through a seamless, automated process.
Here, green and ripe bananas are sorted, sliced, and then crisped in the fryer, emerging as the finished product ready for packaging. The factory utilizes advanced automation to efficiently wash, slice, and fry the bananas, ensuring a consistent product.
In this state-of-the-art facility, fresh bananas are transformed into crispy chips through a seamless process of slicing, frying, and packaging. Here, the freshly cut bananas enter the industrial fryer, where precise temperature control guarantees a uniform cook. Our automated systems ensure the banana chips are perfectly dried and packaged, ready for distribution.
Here at the Sunrise factory, precision machinery handles the packaging process smoothly. Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, the factory seamlessly transforms raw bananas into packaged chips.
Utilizing state-of-the-art automation,
The factory ensures a seamless flow from the conveyor belts to the final packaging.